Welcome, little explorers. Are you ready for a world full of wonder? Let's jump into a world of wonderful words with the letter W.
W is for watch, tick tock it goes, telling the time as everyone knows. W is for watermelon, juicy and sweet, a summer delight that's fun to eat. W is for water, fresh and cool, splashing around in the swimming pool. W is for whale, big and strong, singing its deep and beautiful song. W is for wheels, spinning around, helping cars drive over the ground. W is for window, open up wide, look outside and see the bright sky. W is for well, deep and round, a bucket goes in and water is found. Is for wolf, howling at night, under the moon, what a magical sight. W is for wall, sturdy and tall, keeping us safe, not letting it fall. W is for whistle, blowing so clear, a happy sound we love to hear. W is for web, tiny and thin, a spider's home where stories begin.
That was so much fun. W is truly a wonderful letter filled with exciting words. Now let's trace the letter W together. Get your fingers ready and follow along.
W is for wheels, spinning around.
Wonderful work. Keep practicing and soon you will write W like a pro. See you next time for another exciting word. Bye bye.